What if your ordinary bike could turn into a high-tech machine with zero tools? From mind-blowing wheels with no spokes to speakers that talk to your helmet, these bicycle inventions feel like they're from the future. You won't believe number 1. Watch till the end to see why. Number 11. LIVALL PikaBoost 2. What if your old bicycle could transform into a powerful e-bike in just 1 minute? That's exactly what the LIVALL PikaBoost 2 does, and it does it without tools or hassle. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, this tiny gadget clips behind your seat and works with nearly any bike, from mountain monsters to sleek road riders. Whether your tires are big or small, this kit fits wheels from 14 to 29 inches wide. It packs a punch too, with a 500-watt motor and a smart battery, letting you cruise up to 20 miles per hour and cover over 40 miles on a single charge. But it's not just about speed, it's smart too. You get 4 riding modes like Cruise, Eco, and even a workout setting for some healthy sweat. The regenerative braking saves power, while safety features like anti-theft tech, water resistance, fall detection, and built-in LED lights mean your ride is safe and smart, even when the road isn't. Number 10. Beryl Laserlight Core. Just when you think bike lights couldn't get any smarter, the Beryl Laserlight Core shows up with a twist. It doesn't just light the road, it creates a bike symbol ahead of you using laser projection like your own moving bike lane. This symbol appears 6 meters in front of you, warning cars and buses that you're coming, especially in blind spots or tricky intersections. With its 400 lumen white LED, this light is a game changer for city riders who bike through traffic and chaos. You can switch between 4 lighting modes depending on the time of day, from day flash to full beam. It's USB rechargeable, fast charging to 50% in just an hour. The body is waterproof, strong, and tool-free to mount, although a few riders note it can shift if knocked. Still, for night rides in the city, it's one of the safest and smartest lights you can own. Number 9. Tannus Armour. Flat tires are every cyclist's worst nightmare. But what if I told you that you could ride through rough trails, rocky paths, even broken glass, without a single worry about getting a flat? Meet Tannus Armour, the game-changing tire insert that sits between your tire and inner tube like a bodyguard for your wheels. It's not just rubber, it's made from a special material called Aether, packed with 1 billion tiny air bubbles that protect your tire from punctures, pinch flats, and sharp side cuts. Think of it as giving your bike armor. But protection isn't all it offers. Tannus Armour also makes your ride smoother by absorbing shocks and vibrations from bumpy roads. You can ride with lower tire pressure for better grip without worrying about sluggish tires or rim damage. Perfect for mountain bikes, e-bikes, or wild desert races, it's easy to install, sealant-free, and built for riders who go where roads don't. Number 8. Halfbike II. Forget everything you know about riding a bike, because the Halfbike II isn't just a bike, it's a whole new way to move. Imagine cycling while standing up, steering with your body like you're skiing, and getting a workout that feels like running, but with no stress on your joints. That's the magic of this strange-looking 3-wheeled ride. It has a tall front wheel, 2 small back wheels, and a vertical handlebar that responds to your every lean, giving you full control with just your balance. At only 8.2 kilograms, the Halfbike II is light and perfect for tight city streets. It folds down fast, so you can carry it on a bus, stash it in an office, or store it in small apartments. Whether you're after a fun fitness routine or a creative way to commute, this mini machine works your whole body and turns every ride into a cardio-powered adventure. Number 7. PARKIS City. You've upgraded your bike, so why settle for boring back-breaking storage? Meet the PARKIS City, a high-tech vertical lift that parks your bike for you. No electricity, no effort, no mess. Built from tough anodized aluminum and sleek steel, this smart device uses a fully mechanical system to lift your bike upright, saving up to 40% of floor space instantly. It's strong enough to handle e-bikes and heavy rides, and gentle enough for anyone to use, from kids to seniors. No lifting, no struggling, just push your bike in, and it smoothly lifts into place. With support for tires up to 77 millimeters wide and wheels 24 inches or larger, the PARKIS City fits most bikes with ease. Whether you're tight on space at home, in an office, or fitting out a public bike station, this maintenance-free system adds both style and smarts to your cycling setup.
Number 6. CONVOY. What if your regular bike could suddenly haul kids, groceries, or gear without breaking a sweat? That's exactly what the CONVOY e-trailer does. In just seconds, it transforms your ride into a full-blown electric cargo bike. With a built-in 250-watt motor, it adds powerful pedal assistance up to 25 kilometers per hour, 16 miles per hour, making city commutes and family trips smooth and effortless. It can carry up to 50 kilograms, has room for 2 kids, and goes about 30 kilometers on a single charge. But what really makes the CONVOY stand out is its smart design. It follows directly behind your bike using a patented rear-wheel steering system, so it moves smoothly, even around tight corners. A built-in taillight keeps you visible, the smart brake system keeps you safe, and when you park, you can use it like a motor-assisted shopping trolley. Controlled by an app, it even locks digitally, making it the cargo hauler you never knew you needed. Number 5. Async A1. Bicycles today have evolved far beyond pedals and chains, and the Async A1 proves it. This isn't just a bike, it's a bold electric machine built like it belongs on a Mars mission. With a mighty 1200-watt motor, the A1 can zoom up to 35 miles per hour, whether you're conquering city streets or muddy mountain paths. It comes in 2 battery options, the A1 Standard and the A1 Pro, with up to 150 miles of range, enough for an entire weekend adventure without needing a charge. And that's not all. With top-tier suspension, a belt drive for less maintenance, and 4-piston hydraulic brakes, it offers control and comfort over rough roads. Its 5.5-inch smart dashboard connects via LTE, GPS, and Bluetooth, and the waterproof frame, LED lights, and ergonomic design make every ride smoother and safer. It's a rugged, intelligent ride for those who demand more from their bike. Number 4. Cruzbike Q45. If long-distance rides sound exhausting, the Cruzbike Q45 is here to flip that idea on its head. Literally. This isn't your average bicycle. It's a recumbent touring bike built for serious adventure, combining speed, comfort, and gear hauling power. With its unique front-wheel drive system, you can climb steep hills fast while sitting back in a position that feels more like relaxing than racing. The Q45's sturdy aluminum frame, wide tires, and smooth suspension take on gravel, asphalt, and everything in between with ease. Built for travelers who pack light or heavy, this bike features a 1x11 speed setup, roomy gearing, and mounts for racks to carry all your must-haves. The ergonomic seat adjusts to fit riders from 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 4 inches, and the bike itself is surprisingly light at 33 pounds. Whether you're chasing a horizon or a weekend escape, the Cruzbike Q45 turns long rides into smooth, unforgettable journeys. Number 3. Aleck Punks. After gearing up for the road, what's better than a ride with music, group chats, and hands-free calls, all without blocking out the world around you? Meet the Aleck Punks, ultra-light Bluetooth helmet speakers that snap right onto your helmet straps. At just 16 grams each, you'll forget you're even wearing them until the crystal-clear audio kicks in. These open-ear speakers let you enjoy your favorite playlists or talk to friends while still hearing the road, traffic, and nature around you. Perfect for solo rides or group adventures, Aleck Punks let you stay connected with features like push-to-talk or party mode through their dedicated app. They also support voice assistants like Siri and Google, offer up to 12 hours of playtime, and charge in just 1 hour via USB-C. With sweat, dust, and rain resistance, they're made for real rides, not just good weather. Fun, safe, and smart, just like the ride you're planning next. Number 2. Cyclotron Bike. Just when you thought bikes couldn't look cooler, Cyclotron rolls in straight from the future, with no spokes, no hubs, and no air-filled tires. Yes, you hear that right. This ultra-modern ride is made from space-grade carbon fiber and features hubless, spokeless wheels that don't just look insane, they're practical too. The airless polymer tires never go flat and even have space to store small items inside the wheel frame. With all gears, brakes, and wiring hidden neatly inside the body, the Cyclotron is sleek, fast, and easy to maintain. The Cyclotron isn't just about looks, it's smart too. It features auto-adjusting LED lights, a laser-projected bike lane for night safety, and rapid-fire 18-speed electronic shifting that takes just 0.2 seconds. Sync it with the Cyclo app to track rides, calories, GPS location, and even detect accidents. This isn't a concept, it's a working piece of sci-fi that you can actually ride. Number 1. Copenhagen Wheel. Imagine upgrading your old bike just by changing the back wheel. No wires, no bulky battery packs, no complicated setup. That's the magic of the Copenhagen Wheel, a sleek red hub developed by MIT that turns any standard bicycle into a smart e-bike in minutes. Everything, motor, sensors, battery, and computer, is hidden inside this clean, compact rear wheel. It responds instantly to your pedaling, boosting your ride naturally and smoothly, based on how hard you push. With speeds up to 20 miles per hour and a range of around 31 miles, this wheel makes hills feel flat and long, commutes feel short. You can customize your ride through a smartphone app, choosing between turbo, eco, or even exercise mode. And with regenerative braking, you can recharge just by backpedaling. The Copenhagen Wheel combines innovation, elegance, and ease. Perfect for city riders who want electric power without the mess. It's a smart way to finish strong.